Can I pull my own building permits for an investment property without a licensed contractor? Well, the quick answer is no, you can't. What happens with cities and municipalities is they will allow you to be a general contractor for your own personal residence, but they won't let you be a general contractor on any type of an investment property, fix and flip, rental, or anything else like that. Even with your own personal residence, if you're the general contractor, you still are required by the city to hire subcontractors for plumbing, electrical, and those types of things that are specifically licensed in that trade. For example, a general contractor cannot pull an HVAC permit in most cases, nor can they pull a plumbing or an electrical permit. Those have to be pulled by a specific licensed plumber or an electrician based upon that trade. In addition to the city or the state not allowing you to pull permits for an investment property, there's a few other things to keep in mind as to why this is the case. One, there's legal requirements. Remember, when you get a loan from us, the loan is actually to a business. It's to an LLC. It's an investment loan. It's not an individual loan, and it's for a business venture. It's not for your individual homeowner house. And you actually declare where you are living as your personal residence, and that this is not a personal residence, nor will it become one. With that being said, most states are going to require a general contractor to have a permit pulled for anything that's not owner occupied, where you'd be acting as your own general contractor. And since these are business loans and they're for profit, this would fall under it and be a requirement. Number two reason is risk reduction. Even if there is a county that doesn't require a licensed general contractor for investments, we require it for our loans. This is to minimize the risk to you, to our investors. This is especially necessary when we do up to 100% financing. These requirements, if this is the case, is based upon our own internal policies, not just the state regulations. We have to ensure that if we ever had to step in and take over the work, that it's been done the way it should be, that we have sufficient funds held in escrow to pay a new contractor to get that work completed. Number three is professional oversight. We require licensed professionals to oversee the work. And in most cases, this means that there's a general contractor. In some instances, we may allow a handyman with a seasoned track record, with insurance, and with licenses and a proven track record of getting successful rehabs done. But as the borrower, you can contribute sweat equity, but only under the supervision of a licensed, proven general contractor. If you have specific questions about this in your area, we recommend consulting with a licensed general contractor or with your city's building department. Our goal is to protect you, your investment, as well as our investors by ensuring the project is completed professionally and efficiently.